So today we'll be working on this BMW 3 Series on the 18 plate. So it's a stolen recovered car. The criminals have stolen the ECU. A lot of plugs are disconnected. I've realised that the FEM module is also disconnected. This car's been to a few different garages, and for one reason or another they've not managed to sort it out. So the back glass, they cracked the back glass, opened the door, popped the bonnet, removed some units. I'll show you how it is on the inside as well. At the moment we have no ignition at all. I believe the reason for that is because the FEM module is disconnected. So I'll get the FEM module connected now and see if we have ignition. So there we go, the FEM module is now connected. There's only a few plugs disconnected. Unsure why I hadn't been connected again. There's been too many garages. So let's see, I think we should have ignition. There we go. Obviously there'll be loads of warning lights on, and because a lot of plugs are disconnected and no ECU at the moment, so obviously no crank. We'll remove the FEM module, get the ISN number from there, and wait for the ECU to arrive, and hopefully we should have the car out here soon. So we've got the correct ISN on the ECU and the FEM module. So we'll fit this in and hopefully with a bit of luck it will start first time. So here we are, time for the first start. Done all the encoding, done everything by the book. I'm quite sure it should start, but let's see. Oh yeah, finally. Can we select gears? Yes, we can. If you need any ECU coding, feel free to contact us and we'll be able to assist you further. Thanks for watching.